In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable permanent private browsing in Mozilla Firefox, step by step. This is a quick and useful fix if Firefox is clearing your cookies, site data, or session information every time you close the browser, and you want your settings and logins to stay saved normally. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to change, and how to make sure Firefox stops deleting your data on exit. If this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, look to the upper right corner of the browser window and click the menu button. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. When the menu appears, click Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Click Privacy and Security. This is where Firefox keeps most of its privacy controls, including cookies, site data, history, and browsing behavior. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find the Cookies and Site Data area. Here, look for the option that says Clear Cookies and Site Data when Firefox is closed. If this option is turned on, Firefox will automatically erase stored cookies and site information every time you exit the browser. That can make it feel like you're always browsing privately, because websites won't remember you and you may get signed out repeatedly. To stop that behavior, simply uncheck the box next to this option. Once the box is unchecked, Firefox should no longer clear cookies and site data automatically when you close it. That means your logins, preferences, and session information are more likely to remain saved between browser sessions. If you want to be extra sure the change has taken effect, take a moment to check that the box is definitely no longer selected. After that, the final step is to restart Firefox. Close Mozilla Firefox completely, then open it again. Restarting the browser helps make sure the new setting is applied properly, and that Firefox is no longer using the automatic data clearing behavior. If needed, you can also reopen a website you use often to confirm that your login details or preferences are being remembered as expected. And that's it. You've now disabled the setting that was automatically clearing cookies and site data in Mozilla Firefox when the browser closed. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference if you're tired of being logged out or losing saved site data every time you quit the browser. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Firefox and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.